Hello. Hi, guys. So today we were going to see how you can give a Google Tag Manager um, access to someone else. Sometimes you need this for, like, suppose you get a GTM specialist, you have to give them a tag manager, or you're working with a agency, you have to give a tag manager access, or you just wanted to learn how to give a Google Tag Manager access to someone else. I'm not going to talk about the what is tag manager does. It's just a container. You put all of the codes inside and just and execute for one time, which actually helps your page speed like faster. But it depends. Okay, so you have to just search for Google. So I already searched, so you can see here Google Tag Manager login. So you have to go sign in here and pretend that like this is one of your clients. Just click that one. So this is your site, and then you go on the top left corner here and go admin and just click user management and click on the right corner plus button and add user. So you put the email address and what kind of account permission you're giving. So if you're giving to a GTM specialist, you have to give the administrator, and also you have to give all of the container permission. Like you click here and done, and then you can say, hey, publish. And if you want to give them administrator, just go and then just put the email and then invite, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and likes and subscribe. I know it's a very small things to do, like lots of people know that one, but like someone who's studying and someone who have a business doesn't know about you know like technical aspects, so this might help. Thank you. Have a good day.